that. Anthony Moe's first free throw splashes it. Give him 19. He's having a great game for Guyana. Second, no good. Good hustle there. Here's Moe again. Oh, what a finish. Great hustle by Welsh. Moe. Moe and Rose, two-man game. James will put it on the deck. The crossover. James to the rim and finishes. That didn't come from the three-point line. Missed the second free throw. Stuck on 13. Jamaica pushing the other way. Mike for three and knocks it down. Adrian Mike has come off the bench and provided a spark for Jamaica all evening long. He has 11. So balanced scoring across the board for Jamaica. James, blocked by Bailey. James slow to get back on defense. Whittingham for three, indeed! And the scream afterwards. Good ball movement that time by Guyana, and it leads to an easy layup for Adams. Vocal. Inside to Moe. James will tee up a three. No good. Offensive rebound by Rose. Boville got stripped by Rogers. And here's Rogers. Almost gave it away. Mike to the rim. Easy two here for Robinson, and he knocks it in. And 6 seconds to play. Bailey right to the rim. No resistance that time. And that's how we end the third quarter. Fourth quarter. Jamaica in front, 78-57 over Guyana. Jamaica in the home white uniforms, Guyana in the road black. Carly Gay on the call. Thanks for joining us wherever you are, however you're doing so. Here from El Salvador. A reminder, we have one more game here today. Costa Rica and El Salvador will do battle coming up next. Check out all the standings and everything on FIBA.basketball. Drive inside. Ooh, that was swallowed up by two defenders. Rose. I believe that was Adams as well. But then they give away possession to Bailey. Driving in. Feeds to Robinson. Another assist for Bailey. 15 for Robinson on the night. Give Bailey 7 assists. James. On the post. Then toast. Nice move. He gets one-on-one opportunities, gets good shots. It's just about making it for him. Another dish inside. Robinson floats to the rim. The Bailey and Robinson connection hooking up one more time. The lead is 82-61 for Jamaica. James gets one-on-one coverage again and makes Jamaica pay. We're already fighting with Williams for position before the ball was even touched by his teammate. James straight on three. Got it! Delroy James beginning to cook here in the fourth quarter. Good sign for Guyana. Not all was lost. They're still alive here in this game with plenty of time to play. Foster. Thomas, he's been perfect from beyond the arc. Amari Johnson responds with a three of his own. 16 for Amari Johnson, his third triple. James, a double comes. Rose inside to Yacht. Corner three, too strong. Vacuumed in by Thomas. Thomas has had a great game. Amari Johnson wants another three from this side. Can't hit. Williams tracks down that miss. Johnson inside. Floats it. Count it. And the foul! Flexing their muscles here. James had two defenders run out. A nice feed. Oh! And the orange crush by Anthony Moe. Good job there by James being unselfish. And a good steal by Rose. Smith in the open floor. Hammer time. Still a tough time in this game, folks. Guyana can buckle in defensively. We might have a chance. We want to get it to within 10, probably around the 4-minute mark to really give themselves a shot. You got to stop this man, though. Amari Johnson, who's feeling it, can't get it to go. Often a rebound, and often running is Guyana for another easy 2. And that leads to a timeout. Haley Williams. 3 for Johnson. Cash money. Amari Johnson with another triple. So you think Guyana might be getting some momentum as Rose responds with another 3 for Nicaragua. Anthony Mo trying to match him. Tournament high so far. Robinson with a pure looking jump shot from the foul line. Not much defense being played here in the last couple of minutes. Just your turn, my turn. James will step into a 3. He rattles it home. Delroy James, what a 4th period. 18 on the night. Most of them coming here in the final quarter. Thomas, way too easy. Romain Thomas has 15. And the lead is 15. Rose, deep 3. No good there. And you can feel it for Jamaica. They're going to look to go to 2-0 now here and take the top of the group. Nicaragua, the only team that has a win here so far. They're off tonight. So Jamaica will have sole possession of first place. Thomas wide open for 3 and knocks it in. Count it. You enjoyed their effort offensively tonight. I know they'll get a lot of praise for the way they played offensively, but defensively they did their job too. That full court pressure they employed in that second quarter really changed the game. And it opened the door for a blowout. Another tap-in layup there. And Guyana can hold and dribble this clock out. They'll shoot a 3. Miss there. Amari Johnson has 26 points. What a night for him. And we'll dribble up the clock here with Jamaica walking away with a big-time victory. 107-87 over Guyana. Jamaica moves to 2-0 here in El Salvador.